Hey Wishtrenders, it's your sister Eunice here. Really happy to see you guys. Today we have a very special guest next to us, and it is Sue Beauty. Yay!
Hey guys, it's Sue here, your favorite person in the world, and I'm super happy to be here at Wishtrend TV.
Yay! And we are so happy to have you here. You are one of our favorite person in the whole wide world. So today we're going to show you the correcting post-pigmentation clearing box. I can't believe that this beautiful box is actually 4 years old already. And there are some changes that was actually made to the box. Now we have more than 400 real reviews of the box from our Wishtrenders. And also, it has become one of the best-selling boxes on Wishtrend.com, man. That's right.
For real?
That's right,
That's
ladies
amazing.
and gentlemen. Yes, it has received so much love from our Wishtrenders. And some of the changes that was made to the box was...
I want to say you guys have a higher discount rate.
No, I don't know the answer, but I think so. I think that's correct.
Or you guys have added like 10 more free gifts.
That's what I think too, because our staff is always so generous and they want to hook our Wishtrenders up. So I think they added more stuff to it. But we're gonna find out. Let's play a quiz to find out what changes were made.
Oh, it's quiz time.
Let's do it.
Are you excited?
What are we gonna get though? Like, I don't know. I wish we get some money or something off of this, but all right, let's get started. All right, guys, so the rules for the quiz. Can you read this for us?
Of course. Ooh, do I get to host?
Yes,
Okay.
with a British accent.
This is my moment. This is my audition for
Let's do it.
Anyways, the rules. First, fill in the blanks in the 3 questions. Number 2, you can use 1 hint. And 3, you have 1 chance to answer. If you answer all the questions correctly, you get to see what the renewed correcting post-pigmentation clearing box looks like.
The first warm-up question, can you read it for us?
All right, the first warm-up question, blank is where all beauty information gathers.
I mean, clearly this is maybe Sue Beauty's YouTube channel?
Oh, is that the answer?
Yes.
I think that's correct.
Okay, I think we're not really sure what it is, so do you wanna check out a hint?
Oh yeah.
Which color would you like?
Pink.
I'm wearing blue, let's do blue.
Why'd you ask that?
Let's do rock, scissors, paper.
Why did you ask? Okay.
안 내면 술래 가위바위보. Alright.
Is this how you treat your guests?
I'm your 언니. Oh, it's long.
Ta-da!
Let me read this.
All right.
The #1 Korean cruelty-free skincare beauty commerce site.
Number 1.
I mean, I know the answer. I think we know the answer, right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We think it's Wishtrend.com.
All right, let's see it. Yay!
Oh, that's
Wishtrend!
right? Woo! That was a good guess. And it's true. Actually, Wishtrend is where all beauty information gathers.
Yes.
So subscribe.
And like and follow us too as well.
Exactly, thank you.
All right, let me read the first question. All right, question 1. The anti-oxidizing synergy product blank became one of the main products instead of being a free gift?
So let's go with yellow, because that's the last color we chose last time.
Oh!
Pudding.
Oh!
Easy.
Oh yeah. Oh, but I forgot the exact name.
I know. My armpit's kind of wet, but I know. Vitamin E mask. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that was actually a free gift before.
Why'd you guys change it?
That's amazing. I guess it was like a must-have in the curation.
So the vitamin E mask was originally a part of the pre-order as a sample, but there were many reviews saying that the correcting box had great synergy when used with vitamin E, so we added the vitamin E mask to the box as the main product.
So you guys actually had the vitamin E mask within the pre-sale before, but so many reviews said they had such a good synergy effect with the vitamin drop. That's why you guys added as the curated box, huh? The whole thing. Ooh, I think actually vitamin C, vitamin E.
Yeah.
Great combination.
The iconic duo.
Exactly. I think when you do use it together, it just boosts the effect of the absorption, the antioxidant effect. It's just like us.
Perfect.
All right, so let's move on to the second quiz.
All right, the second quiz to help with the biggest skin concern of most of our customers. The blank was added as well as free gifts. All right, now here's a question I like.
Do you know which one it is? Right off the bat?
Oh, well, it says to help the biggest skin concern. I want to say for me personally, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. So maybe something to help with that.
Yeah, I mean, this is the correcting post-pigmentation clearing box. So,
Oh, she nailed it.
okay, which color do you like?
A pink.
Pink, let's go. Circular and oval.
Don't think of nasty things.
I was not, ladies and gentlemen. Let me clarify. I want to get this on record. I was not. Oval?
So circular and oval?
Oh! Oh! Oh, sorry.
Oh my
okay,
God.
sorry.
You're gonna pop my eardrum, lady.
Sorry. Acne. Patches, right? Maybe patches?
Yeah.
Smaller?
And oval.
Right? I think it's
The acne patches.
Yeah, by Wishtrend's acne patches. That's what I'm guessing right now.
Yeah.
Yay! The pimple patch. We have 39 little circles,
They're
don't we?
big.
They are.
They're big enough to cover up some of my friends on my chin here. that I
Exactly.
got.
And don't they have 2 different sizes too?
Yes.
You like the big ones?
I like the bigger the better.
Although the box is mainly for improving the pigmentation, it was mentioned 103 times that it also improved acne. That's why we added the pimple patches to the grade.
So there were a lot of reviews that said that not only helped protect but also help heal the acne, and so that's why they added.
I mean, it's one of the best upgrades, I think.
Oh,
Great
yeah.
job, Wishtrend. Seriously, great job. All right, guys, so let's move on to the last quiz. Ooh, can you read it for us?
Yes, number 3, the highly requested blank was added to complete the skincare routine.
Let me choose the pink one, because I love you.
Ah. Last but not least.
I have no idea.
Wow.
Last but not least, maybe it's the end of the routine to complete it.
I was thinking SPF.
Oh,
Because that's what the last thing,
you're
right?
you're so
I
smart.
know, I'm a smart girl.
You're so talented and you're
What
so
were you
smart.
What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking. Like, there was nothing in my brain actually. I was like, what's going on? How do you finish a routine?
You an honest girl.
Yes.
You honest. Okay.
I mean, all I have is my integrity. So
All right.
hold on. All right. I think should we look at
Yeah,
one more?
Just to be sure.
잠깐만요. 근데 퀴즈 한 번만 볼 수 있는데
Ah, okay.
Read one more hint.
Yes.
But the rule says we can only read one. So in order to see another hint, our PD님's like, give us a show.
엔딩 포즈.
엔딩 포즈?
엔딩 포즈. 그 케이크.
아, 엔딩 요정. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Your fault. That's
Is that it? Okay. One more. Let's choose the blue one.
This hint was so not worth all that.
I know. It better be. It better
It better be worth it.
Ooh.
New drop
Of this year.
You mean like new release?
Yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah.
think I was right.
You are right. It's the latest and hottest product.
I'm angry.
I know.
Why did we do all of that?
I mean, sometimes we just have to do what we don't want to do in our lives, and that was one of it.
That's life.
Adult
All right,
series.
The answer is the Dear Claire's new SPF.
Yes!
Our sunscreen.
I knew it.
Me too.
Oh.
We should have just went with our instincts.
The new Dear Clear sunscreen became a bestseller as soon as it was released. There were a lot of requests saying that the sunscreen should be added to the correcting box, so we heard you guys loud and clear. So we added it.
Yay!
Yay! So Claire's new sunscreen just dropped.
Yes.
But I knew when I tested the texture, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna become so good. And that's why a lot of people really did recommend that we should add a sunscreen to the
That's
box.
smart. That's
I think it's
smart.
a perfect cherry on the top to
It
just
is.
finish it off, because we're talking about post-pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and of course we need a sunscreen in there, right?
You definitely need it to prevent further hyperpigmentations, and you need it to help it heal.
Exactly.
You definitely need it.
I mean, as we get older, I can clearly see that. Usually, like acne scars, it used to last maybe like a month or so, but now it just takes forever. So it's really important for us to add into our routine a good sunscreen that we will like using.
Exactly.
That we will want to reapply.
And the formulation is really nice.
It's so nice. No wonder it just like sold out so quickly. I feel like it's gonna be one of your favorite like choices in the curation.
For sure.
So this routines box was upgraded 3 times, and we can proudly say that this is Wishtrenders approved, which is very important. And now we'll show you how you can use this box as your routine.
Yay!
Yay! First, we'll show you how to use the box for your daytime routine. 1. Shake the rice toner so that the formula mixes well. Soak a cotton pad and gently swipe across the face and neck for a refreshing start for your day. Number 2. For extra hydration, add another layer of rice toner with your hands and use it as an essence. Number 3. For those of you who use vitamin C regularly, apply a few drops of the vitamin drop to the skin after your toner to help boost the protective effect of the sunscreen. Make sure to apply sunscreen at the end of your routine. If you don't, it won't boost the protective effect of the sunscreen. Number 4, moisturize the skin with a thin layer of vitamin E mask. The refreshing citrus scent of the moisturizer will help lift up your mood. 5, once the moisturizer is fully absorbed into the skin, apply the all-day airy sunscreen on the entire face. This sunscreen was just released this year and has become a bestseller with its lightweight and airy texture, so it's so breathable on the skin. For your night routine. 1. After double cleansing, attach pimple patches on areas where you have extracted acne so that the patches absorbs the fluid overnight. 2. Same as the daytime routine, prep the skin with a cotton pad soaked with the rice toner to remove the remaining impurities on the skin, and layer a few more drops like an essence for extra hydration. 3. Apply 3 to 4 drops of the vitamin drop on the face and hug the face with your palms for better absorption. A warm, relaxing, and comfortable sensation will feel so good on the skin. 4. Once a week, use the Tencel sheet mask for moisturizing care. After carefully applying the sheet mask to the face so that it adheres to the skin well, remove after 15 to 20 minutes and pat the remaining essence on the face. 5. Apply an appropriate amount of the vitamin E mask to the face and let it absorb. When using the vitamin drop and E mask together, it increases the antioxidant effects, which help reduce skin damage from sun exposure and free radicals, and boost the illuminating qualities of vitamin C. 6. Apply the blue cream on areas that need soothing, especially on red blemishes, as it has an amazing effect in reducing redness.
We prepared a little gift for you guys, and this is what you guys always wanted.
A husband?
A house? You already have a husband.
So we have all the boxes here from the correcting post-pigmentation clearing box, and we have some goodies. Oh, thank you so much.